Hello, my jewels, and welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Today is Thursday, July 15th. So today, as you see by the title, I am going to talk about how often should we deep condition, okay? Now, that is a question that I have wanted to know back here last year, going into this year. So toward the end of 20, in the beginning of 21, back in January, February, like I told you guys before, I have been doing a lot of reading on conditioners, how we should apply them, moisturizers, oils, sealing, all of that. I have just been doing some reading and then just keeping up with things and doing things different. I think back here in May, I told you guys that I was going to stretch out my protein treatments. You guys remember that? Remember that? So at that time, I wanted to stretch that out because I felt that my hair is healthy and I don't need proteins as often. The only time we should apply protein conditioners and treatments on our hair if it's severely damaged. And once they come back, like I told you in the previous video, then we should not keep applying these on our hair, okay? Because over time, it can cause some major damage. It can also cause your hair to dry and stiffen out, and then you would end up cutting your hair, okay? That's how a protein overload starts, all right? So today I'm going to talk about conditioners. They are also the same. We are supposed to apply conditioners to our hair on a weekly basis if our hair is severely dry and damaged. Look it up. Look it up. If our hair is dry and severely damaged, this is the only time we should be applying deep conditioners on a weekly basis, okay? If our hair is healthy, okay, then we can apply conditioners, do a deep treatment once a month. There's no need for us to keep continuing to do deep conditioners on a weekly basis now. If your hair gets dry in the summer, like now, if it gets dry in the summer, then you should do a deep treatment every single week. If it gets dry in the spring, the fall, winter, same thing. That applies to me in the winter time. Now, January and February is our coldest month here in Wisconsin. My hair do dry out starting from December, I say after Christmas, well up until maybe March. April, my hair is okay because it's not as cold. The weather here is like 50, 60 degrees at that time. But below April, you know, like February, March, January, it's cold. It's very, very cold here in Wisconsin and my hair dry out. So I will be doing a weekly deep conditioning in those months. After that, it will go back to doing them once every month, and that's it. Conditioners are only supposed to be applied to your hair if your hair is severely damaged and very dry, because we want to replenish the hydration in our hair. That's what conditioners are supposed to do. They are meant to replenish, restore, rebuild, and also hydrate our hair. Once our hair comes back to its glory, then we should be doing a routine as doing it once every month. I'm not saying cut conditioners out or proteins out, but we should use them correctly, and then we would not have any problems in our hair like drying out. And you're wondering what's wrong. So a lot of people going back to natural because they feel that it's the relaxer. Honey, it's not the relaxer, it's you. It's something you're not doing correctly, okay? Or something you're doing too much of, okay? I'm just going to be honest with you. So after this video, you guys, you go look it up. How often should we deep condition? And keep reading. How often, if your hair is healthy, how often should we deep condition? Because a lot of people deep condition within 2-4 times out the month. And that's okay. If your hair is dry, it's okay. But if your hair is not dry and you have your moisture balance intact, do it once a month. But if your hair is dry, severely dry, damaged, that's the only time you should do a deep conditioning on a weekly basis. Okay, on a weekly basis. Other than that, no. You can also increase your keratin levels because we all have keratin. Okay, That's the protein in our hair. You want to increase that, you got to start eating right. I told you this in another video. I'm a nutritionist, and sometime I come on here and I'll let you know what's good for the body, what's good for the skin, your nails, and your hair without buying products. You can eat your foods, your vegetables, your fruits, drink plenty of water, do some exercises, okay? So you're going to have to work a little bit. So if you like vegetables, any vegetables, find out which vegetables. Well, you know what? I'll put some down here, okay? That way you can look through it and then figure out which vegetable you want to eat, okay? And I'm also going to put some fruits down here too, so you guys pay attention, okay? I truly hope and pray that this video will help you, okay? Keep doing your research, keep reading, stop following trends, okay? So if your hair is healthy, you have no business continuing to put proteins in your hair or deep condition on a weekly basis unless your hair is damaged, okay? Thank you so much, and Lord's willing, you will see me in the next video. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.